Let's check the default port. Open PowerShell console. Now type this command and press enter. As you can see, default port number is 3389. Let's change it. In the Windows search bar, type registry. Click on the registry editor app to run it. Now navigate to the following registry subkey called rdptcp. Now find port number. Now click edit, then modify. Now click decimal and type the new port number. Now click OK. Close the registry editor, and restart your computer. Let's check again. Default port is changed successfully. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.